Today we're going to show you the SG50 scooter hoist, which is a product of Fadiel SMDM. It's a pretty versatile little unit. It can lift anywhere from 5-10 kilos all the way up to 50 odd kilos. It'll fit in a range of different vehicles, from hatchbacks to station wagons to vans, and it also folds down as well. With the SG50, it's a two-way power unit, so just powered up, powered down with manual rotation. The SG50 is another product from Fadiel SMDM. It's the most popular scooter hoist that we sell here in Australia, basically because it covers most people's needs.
Hi, my name's Clint. I'm an incomplete paraplegic. I work here at Total Ability. I'm one of the installers. I did an install of an SG50 hoist on a Honda HRV. The customer is a lady with limited mobility and she has some difficulty lifting her scooter into the back of the car. So the purpose of the SG50 was to make that a much simpler process for her and give her more independence.